All right, everybody, welcome back. Welcome back. We're back here from the sewer pond, and we're doing a quick trade. I'm trading my friend Andy this old proboat Thundercat nitro boat, and he's trading me this thing right here, and we're gonna be working on this thing together. He's dropping it off, and we're just dry fitting this motor in here for now. This is a 26cc Zenoa. We are gonna end up putting a 30cc in here, and we will make a nice build video out of this one. So this is, what is this, Andy? A 44-inch Whiplash? Yeah. And this is a what is this? A 30-inch mono or a 33 mono?
33.
Yeah. All right. Well, we'll get these both running. This one will get running right away, and then we'll make a nice build series of this one. This one needs a little work on the hull underneath, but we'll get it on the water. This is a badass hydroplane, Andrew.
Super.
All right, okay. So Andy just left me his Whiplash hydroplane, and I am supposed to get this thing race ready for next season. That's my job for Andy. And this is now my gas boat, whatever the hell this thing is. Whatever it is, we traded it. It might run, it might not, who knows. But look at this fucking Whiplash hydro, bro. This thing is fucking cool as hell. This thing is cool as hell. 44 inches. I think so. I didn't pull out a tape measure yet, but it definitely needs some repairs underneath. Definitely needs some repairs, specifically right here on the sponson. We're gonna get rid of those screws, get rid of all this crap, clean it up. See, get rid of that crap right there on the recovery step, clean that up. It should look like this. I like it. I like it. What do you think, Mr. Muncie? Do you like it too?
Yes, I like it.
Perfect. All right, so stick around, guys. We're gonna get these running. I gotta make a list for Andy right over here as to, oh, hey, spider. As to what we're gonna put inside of it. This is a 26 Zenoa that is actually for this Enforcer right over here. So just gonna dry fit that in for a second just to kind of get an idea. Onto the motor mounts, blah 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 kind of a thing. 26cc, and she definitely is gonna need some kind of something bigger. I'm gonna go with a 30. This is a 26 over here as well. And in my big gas boat, I have a 25, believe it or not. Either way, this is what we got. Let's check this one out. I haven't even looked at this one. I'm like all like a kid in a candy store right now with this fucking hydroplane. Holy shit, this thing is cool. And just the other day, I was talking to Big B, Ironclad, and he was saying, he's like, yeah, man, you should pick yourself up one of those Whiplashes. And I was like, yeah, I'll look into that. And that same day, Andy shoots me a picture, and he's like, hey, I'm at the hydroplane races in San Diego, and look what I just got. So, you know me. I like fast things, I like loud things. And we're gonna get this thing going. We're gonna get this thing going. It's got a gas tank, not a bladder. Let's see, does it have any compression as the engine sees? Yeah, it'll start. It'll start. It's a two-stroke. The only thing that could be wrong with it is either that carburetor not getting fuel, or that right there not getting electricity. Damn, this thing is super freaking cool, man. Super cool. Super cool. I love the neon. Ugh. Let's see what it looks like underneath. Had some repair over here, or maybe it's a blueprint. Sand. Nope, that, my friends, looks like it's been filled and shaved, because this is where she rides, and we don't want it to look like this green gel coat. Wow, look at this green gel coat. It looks just like my electric lime. And it's some cool hardware. Alright, I have no idea what brand this is. Absolutely no idea. Let's see, 1/4-inch shaft. That's some cool hardware. It's a nice rudder. Let's see if we can get that going. I should have everything to get this all powered up. Look at that stuffing tube has been soldered right there. And he's got, oh, look at that. That's pretty fucking cool. That billet adjuster for the stuffing tube. That's really fucking cool. You see that adjustment that it has? That's really cool, guys. It's got a bunch of flotation in it. It's got some pretty badass looking hardware, I'll tell you that. Well, what can I say, guys? This is gonna be fun. We might have to put a couple projects aside. We'll finish up the H26, we'll rig that up, and we'll do some testing with the H26, and we'll get this one going. We got to get a list going for Andy, and we got a good amount of work on this one, but we will do the work together, right? We'll put it on the channel, we'll talk about what we need to do, we'll make a list, we'll send the list to Andy. Andy's gonna buy us all these parts, we'll bring them in, and we'll install them together. So stick around, guys, it's gonna be fun.